Okay. Songs I make while I'm at home. Part 1. Wait, no, this is... No! What's my funny voice? No! Got it. Why can I not find the song? Oh yeah. This is it. Brianna cannot brag. That's funny. Loud, but not funny. You want to know my highest voice? Yeet. That. That's the highest I can go without breaking my voice. I'll do part 2 in a day or so.